Hi, it's Annette. Thanks for stopping by. I am playing with Pinkfresh Studio Let's Stay Home collection and an amazing standalone die, the Ornate Floral die. I love the floral shapes this die cuts, and I had the idea to cut this colorful scallop paper with it. I had a piece of scrap paper left over from a layout I did before, and I wanted to use it and covered 1/3 of the background with them. Here I am planning how to fit the cutouts on my background paper, which is the striped side of the hold-down paper. Later I will remove this first bunch of cutouts because I decided to cover the whole background with these cutouts, and I used a new full sheet of the same paper. So I had to remove the old because the scallops don't fit. So I used both scallop papers I had, and now I'm crying because this was my most favorite of the collection. I cut the paper with the cover plate using my Spellbinders machine, and I removed the die really carefully. I tried not to remove the flower shapes and the leaves. I wanted them to stay in place, and I used a wide washi tape to seal them so I can flip over the whole thing. Don't bother if something falls out, you just put it back and seal it with washi tape. I put foam tape on every petal and on every leaf. Yes, I know I'm crazy. This takes really a long time, and I knew that before, that's why I just wanted to make 1/3 of it. But it looked so great, so I just had to make the whole background. This is really just for crazy scrap ladies like me. Don't put adhesive on the other parts, just on the petals and the leaves. I adhered it on the background and carefully removed the other parts. I think it looks great, isn't it? So this is the way I proceeded and did the whole layout, the whole background. Maybe there is another way, an easier or faster way to do it. I don't know, but you can tell me. I cut away from the background and mount it on another paper so it has a nice frame around it. For my title I use Phrase Builder Hello dies, the word hello and the word bestie. I cut the words from black foam and the shadow from white cardstock, so it stands out more. I used a circle-shaped photo of my son. He has a bunk bed, so he sleeps high. When we change the bed sheets, he helps me from above, and when the bed is empty, my husband usually throws a little dog up in his bed. They both enjoy this time playing together on top of the bunk bed so much. I use only a few decorations for this layout. I think the background is so busy it doesn't need anything more. These couple of dark blue enamel dots give a great depth to the layout. I use the space on the right to write my comment, and I think that's it, it's ready. Here are some detail shots. I hope you like it, and I see you in my next video too. Let me know if you have some questions. All used material you can find under the video. Bye!